gut feel or instinct. What really is that? I have known so many success stories that have relied where gut instinct has been the cornerstone of those success stories. Same holds true in my case. I always think from the heart. I always rely on my gut instinct, my gut feel to make any decision. People who know me well know that I think from the heart, and they always say that his heart is on his sleeve. While some people say that's a great thing, people also say that sometimes it can be a weakness. But for me, I think using my gut feel and my instinct has always been my strength. What I have learned to do is to calibrate that gut feel and that instinct today with data. So I'm able to balance the heart and the mind in arriving at a decision. So while I think from my heart, I validate or I calibrate that with my mind. Many years ago, as a diagnostic company, we invested in the area of molecular diagnostics. We didn't have the workload at that time, but as a team, as a company, we knew that's the progress healthcare is making. So we felt it best to invest in that area. In the year 2020, the investment in molecular diagnostics gave Suburban Diagnostics the opportunity of being the first lab in the country to be approved for COVID testing. While everybody was at the receiving end, we as an organization were able to contribute and to make a difference. This, I believe, is the opportunity where we could truly make a difference to so many lives. Started with a gut instinct of wanting to invest in this area of the future. My father, who is the wisest man that I've known, my sounding board and my mentor, has always said that overthinking can sometimes weaken the decision-making process. So I continue to rely on my gut instinct. I continue to what I think is right in the gut. I go with my feel, but I always calibrate that with my mind. Whenever I'm faced with a challenging situation, I rely on my gut feel. It's almost like when you toss a coin and you want to take a decision. It's not that you will get heads or tails, but when the coin is in the air, you will know exactly what your heart truly wants.